Demerits of Bohr's model of atom. First point, inability to explain the line spectra of multi-electron atoms. Okay, inability to explain the line spectra of multi-electron atoms. That is, Bohr's model could explain only the line spectra of hydrogen atom and hydrogen-like species. Okay, it could not explain the line spectra of atoms containing more than one electron. Okay, this is the first point. Now, second point, inability to explain Zeeman effect and Stark effect. Zeeman effect and Stark effect. What is meant by Zeeman effect? Zeeman effect means splitting of spectral lines in the presence of strong magnetic field. Okay, spectral lines in the presence of strong magnetic field. Now, what is Stark effect? Splitting of spectral lines in the presence of electric field. Okay. In the presence of electric field. So, these two effects could not be explained by Bohr's model of atom. Okay. Third point, it could not explain the splitting of hydrogen spectrum into closely spaced lines or fine structure of hydrogen. Okay. It could not explain the splitting of hydrogen spectrum into closely spaced lines. Okay. Now, fourth point, it could not explain de Broglie's dual character of matter. Okay, or inability to explain de Broglie's dual nature or dual character of matter. That we will study in the next session, dual character of matter, about de Broglie's dual character of matter. According to this, de Broglie's dual character, the matter can exist both as wave and wave nature. That is, matter is having both wave nature and particle nature. But according to Bohr, electron as a particle is having only particle nature. He could explain only the particle nature of electrons and could not explain the its wave nature. Okay. So, now the fifth point, inability to explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. That also we will study later. That is, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is unable to determine exact position and momentum of a small moving particle like electron. That we will study later. Okay. That is, fifth point is inability to explain Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So, according to Bohr, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular fixed orbits. Okay, and these orbits are having a fixed energy. Okay, and he could not agree with the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. That is, exact position and exact momentum could not be determined simultaneously according to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. These are the different demerits of Bohr's model of atom. Now we can do some problems based on Bohr's model of atom. Okay. First problem, the energy associated with the first orbits in the hydrogen atom is minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule atom inverse. Atom inverse means per atom. Okay, first or energy of the first orbit per of hydrogen atom per atom. Okay, first part is what is the energy associated with the fifth orbit. So E1 is given, that is first orbit. Energy of first orbit is minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 joule atom inverse. We have to find En, we know. Equation is minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 1 by n square joule atom inverse per atom. Okay. Now we have to find E5. So this is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 1 by 5 square. Okay. So what will be the answer after calculation? Minus 8.72 into 10 raised to minus 20 joule atom inverse. This will be the answer. Okay. So second part of the question is calculate the radius of Bohr's fifth orbit for hydrogen atom. For nth orbit Rn will be equal to 0.529 n square Armstrong or 52.9 n square picometer. This will be the equation. Okay. So now we can calculate. So R5 we have to find is equal to 52.9 into n is 5 square pm picometer. So the answer will be 1322.5 picometer. Picometer is 10 raised to minus 12. Okay, so this will be equal to 1322.5 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. We have to convert it into nanometer. Okay, we can write in the nanometer. So the answer will be 1.3225 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So this is equal to 1.3225 nanometer. Okay. Like this we can calculate the radius. Okay. Of fifth orbit. Second question. Calculate the energy associated with the first orbit of helium plus and what is the radius of this orbit. So En is equal to equation minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 z square by n square joule atom inverse. Okay. Here we have to find E1 of helium. Helium Z is equal to 2. Okay. So minus 2.18 into 10 raised to minus 18 into 2 square by 1. Okay. So after calculating, we will get the value minus 8.72 minus 18 joule per atom. Okay. Now, next radius we have to find. Rn is equal to 52.9 n square by z pm. Okay. N is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. So, by substituting 52.9 into 1 by 2 pm. Okay, so 5 pm picometer is 10 raised to minus 12 meter. So this is equal to 0.02645 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Okay, or we can write this as 0.02645 nanometer. Okay, this will be the radius. Okay, like this we can calculate the energy and the radius.